Hi, my name is Che. This video is designed for beginner Blue Monk speakers. In this video, we will go over counting. The first 10 numbers are pronounced. E, E, O, O, B, B, blau, blau, Ch, Ch, trao, trao,香,香, yi, yi, chua, chua, gao, gao. In the next video, we will go over how to pronounce 10-digit numbers. Please join me for the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.